everyone, Crafting Vicky here with you, and I told you guys that I wanted to do something with the Chalkola, and this is the item I purchased on Amazon. It's chalkboard contact paper. So my thought on this is to use it here to make a conversion, measuring conversion type of diagram, so that when I'm looking for something, I can just open up the door and have the conversions right there in my face, but don't have to open up the apps and whatever else. So let's do this. I will shut down this camera, and I will see you back at my desk with the proper measure of this on my door. Okay? See you soon. So I'm back, and now we're ready to, I measured and I cut the contact paper, and now it's a question of putting the conversion chart. So I will be putting it on here, and then I'll glue it. I'll remove the backing and put it on my space. Hopefully I'm not going to smudge what I write. If I do, then I'll go over it when it's on. But I figured it was going to be easier to write if it's stuck down like this than if I'm trying to write on some vertical surfaces. So my husband is still doing some work in the kitchen, so this video is probably going to be some music. Sorry about that, but we're trying to finish everything. So yeah, if he starts using the tools, I'll be putting some music for you guys. have finished my sign. It's a bit crooked, but that's okay because that's how I write. And I think it's going to be really interesting to have that instead of this piece of paper all the time. So I'll go and put it on my door. Well, actually, I'll let it dry a bit, and then I'll put it on my door, and I'll show you guys. See you soon. So I installed it on my door, and I just adore this. It's exactly the way I wanted it to look. I didn't have to touch up any of the marker, the writing that I had done. It was just perfect the way it was. I removed the top contact paper and then use a credit card to apply it, removing all the air bubble and stuff. And it was super, super, super easy. So guys, I mean, I hope that this inspires you to do something similar if you like cooking a lot and you really hate having to check out what are the equivalents all the time. This is a great solution for it. So I've got a feeling though that there might be some other equivalents that I will like to add to this. So I might actually do another door. I don't know. I will see, but I'm really happy with the result. So hope you like it. Hope it inspires you. Don't forget to check out Chalkola, and don't forget about my giveaway. It's still open for about a week. So go and check out the video. I will try to put an iCard about at this point so that you can go, and it's going to be like over there, so that you can click on it and get to that giveaway video and participate to win yourself a great set of markers. That's it. Bye everyone.